हेलो आप सभी को। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कुछ ऑफ कैंपस फुल टाइम इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में। 2022, 2021 एंड जो भी पास्ट ग्रेजुएट्स हैं कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में वो भी एलिजिबल हैं, कुछ 2022 बैच के लिए। ठीक है, तो इन सब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक मिलेगा जहाँ पर मैं रेगुलरली जो भी ऑफ कैंपस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लिंक्डइन के थ्रू या फिर किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर किसी हैकाथॉन के थ्रू होती हैं, मैं उनके बारे में अपडेट करता रहता हूँ। तो आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में ग्रुप का लिंक मिलेगा, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज की वीडियो में जो अपनी सबसे पहली अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो अमेजॉन इज हायरिंग फॉर क्वालिटी स्पेशलिस्ट एंड द जॉब लोकेशन विल बी हैदराबाद। इफ वी लुक एट द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, the team will be the last mile analytics and quality team, and the job description is like you will act as the first level of support to address resolution, geocode correction maps, edits, driver support and static route management in the last mile, along with other operational issues and activity related to transportation process and optimization. This is your job description, and for the roles and responsibilities, you have to follow standard operating procedures, SOPs, to perform manual edits and resolve outliers exceptions, provide timely response to stakeholders on related tasks as per the SOP and SLA, systematically escalate problems to the relevant owners teams according to predetermined process, meet business metrics and goals, SLA, productivity, quality, utilization benchmarks. These are your roles and responsibilities. For the basic qualification, there is no restrictions on the branch or stream. You just have to have bachelor degree in any stream, and there will be requirement of excellent communication and data presentation skills, both verbal and written. ठीक है, now for the preferred qualification, you have to have working knowledge of MS Office products such as Word and Excel, and there will be demonstrated ability to work in a team, problem solving ability and analytical skills. These are required for this role. ठीक है, now for the application process, this form will be the link for this form is attached in video description. You can fill this form by manually filling your details, and your application will be submitted for the quality specialist role. ठीक है, अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरफ चलते हैं। अगला है फ्लिपकार्ट इज हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट रोल, and for the roles and responsibilities, you will work closely with internal Flipkart team to identify, define, collect and track key business metrics for product and business processes. You will execute quantitative analysis but that translate data into actionable insight. ठीक है, these are your responsibilities. Now for the requirement, for the work experience or educational experience, you need to have 1+ years of experience in the relevant role. So the 2022 batch or 2021 batch maybe cannot apply for this role or are not eligible for this role. So you need to have bachelor's in engineering, computer science, math, statistics or related discipline from a reputed institute, or MBA from a reputed institute. So the past graduates candidates, if they find themselves eligible for this role, they can apply for this if they match the requirement criteria. Now the required abilities are ability to translate structured and unstructured problems into analytical framework, ability to experiment with alternate analytical techniques to solve the problem, and technical capabilities are good handle in SQL, Excel or other scripting language like R and Python, basic understanding of statistical modeling and statistical tools such as R, Python, Spark, SAS and SPSS. If you have these skills, it will be good to have for this role, like working experience with BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, Data Studio. And the number of positions is one. Only one position is empty for this role. So if you find yourself eligible for this role, if you find yourself fit, then you can apply for this role, and the job location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay. Now for the application process, the form is attached with the job description. You have to fill this form and your application will be submitted. The link for this job description and the form will be attached in the video description. You can find it there. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरफ चलते हैं। अगला है मिंत्रा इज हायरिंग फॉर एसोसिएट एनालिटिक्स एंड बिजनेस इनसाइट्स। ठीक है, you will be a part of analytics team, and the responsibilities are you have to display structured problem solving, application of right tools and techniques to solve open-ended problems, and create productized analytical solutions or frameworks independently. You have to understand business problems and come up with data-driven tech solutions. Data integration and building a data warehouse for automating the business intelligence system is included in your responsibility. ठीक है, data extraction as per business request for ad hoc analysis, business analysis and understanding. So these are your responsibilities. And for the application process, the form is attached with the job description, and you can find the link in the video description, and you can apply for this role. Okay. So Myntra is hiring for associate and analytics business insight, and they have not mentioned any 2021 batch or 2022 batch. So if you find yourself eligible, you can fill this form and you can apply for this role. ठीक है. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी पे चलते हैं. अगला है टेक महिंद्रा. टेक महिंद्रा इज हायरिंग फॉर गेट ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग, एंड फर्स्ट नौकरी पर ये जॉब लिस्टेड है. They have disclosed their CTC is 3.5 LPA and the job location will be Pune. Now there are some breakup in the CTC, like if there will be a 3-month probation period and you will be having 3.5 LPA with 3 months probation, and post probation there will be 4 LPA. Okay. Openings will there are 100 openings for this job role, and functional area is engineering and industry type is IT software services. Okay. Now for the key responsibilities, you have to deliver the assigned project task in a given time frame, collaborate with other teams to deliver tasks, analyze given requirement carefully and devise solution, handle customer calls and responses, work independently when required, conduct meetings, workshops. Okay. Now for the technical skills, you need to have 1 to 2 years of relevant experience in one or more skills like Java, JE, Java full stack, .NET full stack, Angular, SAP, Python, automation testing, Oracle, PLSQL. Okay. If you have 1 to 2 years of experience in these skills, then you can apply for this role. Now for the desired candidate profile, they have some set criteria. So for the eligibility criteria, you need to have minimum of 60% of first class in SSC graduate or postgraduate, minimum of 60% or above in HSC and diploma. Okay. And there should not be more than 1 year gap since SSC, and that not true after joining a course, means no loss of academic year after joining a course. Okay. Now for the undergraduate qualification, BE, BTech in computer science, electronics and communication, information technology and telecommunication candidates are eligible for this role, and you need to have minimum mark 60% graduation in 2019, 2020 and 2018. Okay. So these candidates are eligible for this role, and no backlogs will be accepted. If you have backlog, then you are not fit for this role. Okay. Now post graduation qualifications are MCA in computer, and minimum marks 60% post graduation in 2018, 19 and 20, and no backlogs are accepted for this too. Okay. Now minimum school marks are also 60%. You can visit their company profile. So the job description is there, and the link for this job description is attached in video description. You can find it there and apply for this role if you find yourself suitable. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी पे चलते हैं. अगला है जोहो. जोहो इज हायरिंग फॉर विंडोज प्रोग्रामर. द एक्सपीरियंस इज 0 to 4 years and the years of passing is 2015 to 2021. So those students who are graduating from 2015 to 2021, they can apply for this role. The job requirements are: we are looking for candidates with good analytical and programming skills to join our Windows division of Zoho Graphicos team. Key responsibilities are: as a technical staff of Zoho Graphicos, primary responsibility for this role is to develop Windows-based application in CHAS and UWP for Windows platform. The developer role involves participation in coding, design reviews, documentation, communication with relevant teams and colleagues. Now the tools they will be using are IDE, Visual Studio, Platform Windows 10, and language and architecture CHAS or C++. UWP means Universal Windows Platform or equivalent Windows architecture. ठीक है. Now preferred technical and behavioral skills are: language experience in C, C++ or CHAS, strong debugging and analytical skills, few years of proven or continuous hands-on experience in development on Windows, experience in benchmarking, profiling, tactical tool chain, source control and bug tracking system. These are some preferred technical and behavioral skills. For the application, the form for application is attached with the job description. You can fill this form and submit your application for this role if you find yourself eligible. ठीक है. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी पे चलते हैं. अगला है Cognizant. The 2022 campus hiring Gen Z Next, and there are these roles for which Cognizant is hiring. If you find any of this role is suitable for you, then you can apply for this role. They have disclosed their CTC is 6.75 LPA. Now for the process for the hiring workflow, first there will be registration, then there will be round 1 skill based assessment, and on the skill based assessment there are 2 cutoffs. First cutoff is for Gen Z Next cutoff, and the second is Gen Z Elevate cutoff. ठीक है. Now for if you meet the Gen Z Next cutoff score, then there will be round 2 technical HR interview, and if you meet Gen Z Elevate cutoff, then there will be interview 2 in September. The interview will be in September. ठीक है. Now after this technical or HR interview role, if you are selected for Gen Z Next, then you will be having that role, and if you found suitable for Gen Z Elevate, then you are shifted to that role. Now there is a note: candidates who fail to secure a minimum cutoff in Gen Z Next skill-based assessment will be eligible for Gen Z Elevate campus or Gen Z basic campus process. ठीक है. Role availability is based on business demand, and a candidate will be automatically mapped to an adjacent role if demand for the self-profiled role is fulfilled. ठीक है. उसके बाद for the eligibility criteria, BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, IT student from 2022 batch with the branch CSE, EC, EEE, IT, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Information Science Engineering, and allied branch, these are eligible for this role. You have to have a minimum 60% or greater in 10, 12 diploma, undergraduation and post graduation, and calculated as flow equal to aggregate percent equal to sum of all subject marks scored upon total number of subjects. ठीक है. ये इस तरीके से इनका क्राइटेरिया है कैलकुलेट करने का for the percentage. Now student with standing arrears or more than 2 years of gap in educations are not eligible, so no backlogs are accepted, and if you have 2 years of gap in your academic, then you are not fit for this role. At the time of joining, recruit should have an overall aggregate score of 60% or greater. Okay, aggregate for the students who have applied for the re-evaluation will be derived based on the initial score. Okay, CGPA to percentage conversion will be considered as per the university norm. So there are some like conversion standards, like some of the university follows 9.5 to 10, while some of the university follows 95 into. There are different CGPA criteria to convert into percentage, so the considered as per the university norm. ठीक है. And opportunities are open only to Indian national. ठीक है. ये आपको इसका फॉर्म जो लिंक है आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो अगर आपको इनमें से कोई भी रोल अपने लिए सूटेबल लगता है. ठीक है. आपको सुपर सेट पे लॉगिन करना होगा, या फिर अगर आपका पहले से अकाउंट नहीं है तो आपको रजिस्टर करना होगा, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस रोल. ठीक है. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरफ चलते हैं. अगला है राइटर. राइटर इज हायरिंग फॉर ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग और मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग. सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं आपको कि ये जो है रोल, ये सिर्फ टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग में जो मतलब बीटेक या अपना ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए है, ओनली फॉर टेक्सटाइल ब्रांच. ठीक है. एंड 2020 एंड 2021 पास आउट ओनली कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस रोल. ठीक है. एंड फॉर द मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग, BE, BTech इन टेक्सटाइल, प्रेफरेंस विल बी PG completed candidates for 2020 and 2021 pass out only. ठीक है. Now for the roles, engage in field work and visit the customers to generate inquiries for the sales lead, support sales back office activities to maintain customer relationship, coordinate with internal team to keep the sales process successful, and to build right image for the writer at the market. ठीक है. So there are two profiles, GAT and management training. And for the management training, the PG postgraduate candidates are preferred over BTech candidates. ठीक है. Now you should have very good knowledge about spinning machines and mill process, should have a very good communication presentation skills, and should be interested in sales function also. ठीक है. तो आपको इसके लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए लिंक आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ जाकर इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. ओनली फॉर टेक्सटाइल स्टूडेंट दोज हु आर completing their post graduation or graduation in textile, and for the batches of 2020 और 2021. ठीक है. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी पे चलते हैं. अगला कुछ लिंक्डइन के थ्रू अपनी हायरिंग है. सो मोहित मालीवाल हैज पोस्टेड फॉर द RCSM. RCSM is hiring for automation QA testing SDET roles. So there are different roles: SDET for 0 to 2 years experience, senior SDET 2 to 5 years experience, lead SDET 5 to 9 years experience. So if you find yourself eligible for any of this role and you are interested for working for RCSM, then you can click on this link and fill out the form, and you definitely will receive a test link after some time. The job location will be Gurgaon, and you will find the link for this post or for this form in the video description. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी चलते हैं. Hiring for various roles at Vikai, and if you are interested for working for a startup, then you can email your CV at the sonakshi.nathani@vikai.com, and she will look for your profile. If she finds you suitable for the roles you are requesting for, then she will approach you. ठीक है. अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी पे चलते हैं. अगला है स्क्वायर बोर्ड. स्क्वायर बोर्ड इज हायरिंग फॉर सम क्रिएटिव UI UX डिजाइनर and if you think you are a good fit for the role and or know someone who can make the best out of this opportunity, then you can mail your CV at saransh.agrawal@squaregood.com। आपको ये जो भी लिंक्डइन के थ्रू मैंने बताया आपको, इन सब का जो लिंक है आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ जाके अप्लाई कर सकते हो। ठीक है, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। आज की वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, आपको हेल्पफुल हो ये, तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना, एंड फ्यूचर्स के लिए अगर आपको अपडेट चाहिए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना। ठीक है, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।